యా గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. వెల్కమ్ టు శ్రీ అకాడమీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈసెట్ కోసం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్కి దట్టు ఈసెట్ 2026-27 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మనం ఈసెట్కి సంబంధించిన ఈ ఇయర్ 2025 ఈసెట్ పేపర్కి సంబంధించిన మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ బిట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి మేము ముందరికి వచ్చినాం. ఎస్, మై సెల్ఫ్ ఐఎమ్ ఫణీంద్ర. ఐఎమ్ ద డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ శ్రీ అకాడమీ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్. I'm going to deal mathematics in our institute. Okay. ఎవరైతే ఈసెట్ 2026 కోసం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి మా దగ్గర ప్లేస్టోర్లో మాది ఈసెట్ అప్లికేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఈసెట్ 2026 పేపర్స్ అంటే మేము ప్రొవైడ్ చేసే ఫ్యూచర్స్ ఏంటంటే మీకు ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ టాపిక్స్, అది మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కావచ్చు, ఫిజిక్స్ కావచ్చు, కెమిస్ట్రీ కావచ్చు, ఇంజనీరింగ్, ఆల్ అంటే మాకు ఇక్కడ 5 బ్రాంచెస్కి మనం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈసీఈ, ట్రిపుల్ ఈ, కంప్యూటర్స్, మెకానికల్, సివిల్. ఈ 5 స్ట్రీమ్లో అన్ని టాపిక్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో మీ ప్రిపరేషన్కి సంబంధించిన మెటీరియల్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్లు కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఇవన్నీ మీరు అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. అవర్ అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్, మీరు ప్లేస్టోర్కి వెళ్ళి శ్రీ అకాడమీ ఈసెట్ అని టైప్ చేస్తే మీకు అప్లికేషన్ వస్తుంది. అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసినాక ఈసెట్ 2026 అండ్ ఆల్సో 2027 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే పిల్లలకి కూడా అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. నవ్ వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ అన్ ఆఫర్. ఈసెట్ 2026కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళ కోసము మా అప్లికేషన్లో ఎవరైతే వితిన్ ఒక 10 days లోపల మీరు రిజిస్టర్ అవుతాయి, దట్టు వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఎట్ 399 రూపీస్ ఓన్లీ. అంటే 399 రూపీస్కి నేను చెప్పిన అన్ని ఫీచర్స్ అవైలబిలిటీ ఉంటాయి. అయితే ఇక్కడ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కూడా నేనే డీల్ చేస్తా. ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఎవరైతే 26కి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారో, ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్ థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్, ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యి ఫైనల్ ఇయర్కి వచ్చిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మన దగ్గర క్లాసెస్ ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు నేను మేజర్గా ఉన్న ఎంపీసీలో 100 మార్క్స్ సిలబస్ అనేది, అంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఎవరైతే ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యి ఫిఫ్త్ సెమిస్టర్లకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో, అంటే ఇక్కడ సెమిస్టరే కావచ్చు అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ట్రైనింగే కావచ్చు, ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో వీళ్ళకి మేజర్గా అప్ టు ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ వరకు మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఉన్న ఆల్ టాపిక్స్, దట్ ఈస్ M1 అండ్ M2 అండ్ M3 అండ్ M4 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. కాబట్టి వీటి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో టోటల్ మీకు 50 మార్క్స్ వస్తుంది. ఈ 50 మార్క్స్ అనేటివి ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాక ఈ 50 మార్క్స్ పేపర్కి మీరు ప్రిపేర్ కావచ్చు. కాబట్టి 50 మార్క్స్ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ అయినాయి కాబట్టి అయిపోయింది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఫిజిక్స్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో 25 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. ఈ 25 మార్క్స్ కూడా సంబంధించిన సిలబస్ కూడా మీకు అయిపోయింది. అండ్ ఆల్సో కెమిస్ట్రీ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో 25 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. వీటి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా మీకు టోటల్ సిలబస్, అంటే ఇక్కడ 100 మార్క్స్ సంబంధించిన సిలబస్ ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన స్టూడెంట్స్కి 100 మార్క్స్ సిలబస్ అయిపోయింది. అంటే మీ ప్రిపరేషన్లో 50% ఈ సెట్లో ఉన్న 50% సిలబస్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఇంజనీరింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కూడా ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ వరకు అయితే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మేజర్గా 60% వరకు ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ వరకు మీ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ ప్రిపరేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో అంటే ఈ 1 year ఏదైతే మీ ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ ఉందో ఈ టైంలో ప్రిపేర్ కావచ్చు. ఈ టైంలో ఈ ప్రిపరేషన్కి సంబంధించి ఈ ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్ అయిపోయిన ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో ఈసెట్కి సంబంధించిన 2026కి సంబంధించింది వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఎట్ 399 రూపీస్ ఓన్లీ. యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. యాప్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్నాక ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా డిస్ప్లే చేయడం జరిగింది. అయితే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫోన్ నెంబర్స్ కూడా డిస్ప్లే చేయడం జరిగింది, మీకు ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అవుతున్నాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో అవర్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కూడా లింక్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. విత్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీకు ఏ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. ఓకేనా? శ్రీ అకాడమీ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్, దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్, హైదరాబాద్. ఓకే, యూ కాంటాక్ట్ 8143352352 నెంబర్. Any doubts, you can contact us. Utilize the opportunity, right? I am moving to పేపర్ 2025 ఈసెట్ పేపర్. ఇక్కడ మీకు క్యాలిక్యులస్కి సంబంధించిన టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా. క్యాలిక్యులస్ అంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో ఏవైతే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో థర్డ్ సెమిస్టర్, ఫోర్త్ సెమిస్టర్లో అన్ని టాపిక్స్ వస్తాయి. క్యాలిక్యులస్ అంటే లిమిట్స్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, మీకున్న అప్ టు ఎండ్ M4 సబ్జెక్ట్ 4 year సిరీస్ వరకు దీని అంతా క్యాలిక్యులసే అంటారు. ఈ క్యాలిక్యులస్కి సంబంధించిన బిట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం. దట్టు ఈసెట్ 2025 పేపర్లో మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ పేపర్ చాలా మంచిగా వచ్చిందండి. అంటే ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్, యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ అండ్ బిలో యావరేజ్ స్టూడెంట్ స్టూడెంట్ ప్రాపర్గా బేసిక్స్ ఫండమెంటల్స్ నేర్చుకున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా, రైట్. విల్ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టాపిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ ఓవర్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ రూట్ ఓవర్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములాస్కి వెళ్తే డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్ రూట్ ఎక్స్ వి నో దట్ ఈస్ 1/2 root x. From this formula I am treating here sin of x square as x. Root x derivative is 1/2 root x. By using chain rule we are getting the answer for this question, that is root over sin of x square derivative is going to be 1/2 into root over sin of x square. Here in place of x we treat as a sin of x square, that's why you have to multiply with the derivative of sin of x square. Derivative of sin x is going to be cos x, that's why sin of x square derivative is going to be cos of x square. Once again in place of x we having x square, sin x derivative cos x, but we having here sin of x square, that's why in place of x we having x square, that's why once again you have to multiply with derivative of x square, that is 2x. X derivative is going to be 1. Now it's completed, right? This is the derivative of రూట్ ఓవర్ సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. ఇది ఎక్కడ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటే అది ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు 2 to get cancel. If you see in the options, that is in numerator what we having x into cos of x square, in denominator root over sin of x square, where it is if you see x, here x square is there, x cos of x square into root over here indirectly already given in the key, it's going to be right, that is x into cos of x square by root over sin of x square. Same term sometimes if you represent indirectly y terms lo represent chesina kuda answer exist aitadi. Moving to another problem, here derivative of sin inverse of x by 1 plus cos x. Here if you see, observe, you are going to have a number, means indirectly you have to simplify here inverse trigonometry function. Here derivative of sin of tan inverse of sin of 1 plus cos x is there. By using the formulas, trigonometry formulas, I am simplifying in a inside function, that is sin x by 1 plus cos x. I am simplifying sin x, I am representing in terms of half angles, that is 2 into sin of x by 2 into cos of x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is there. We know 1 plus cos x is there. We can write this is as 2 cos square x by 2. This is a half angle representation, is a formula. Here if I cancel, that is I represented inside, that is tan inverse of function. I am simplifying only first of all, that is 2 to get cancelled. Here cos of x by 2 also 1 cos of x by 2 is cancelled. That is sin of x by 2 divided by cos of x by 2. That is tan inverse of tan of x by 2. We can write tan inverse of tan x is going to be x, that's why you are going to get x by 2. I simplified tan inverse of sin x by 1 plus cos x, that you got x by 2. Indirectly derivative we want, derivative of x by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Where it is here given 1 by 2. It's a right answer only, right? Coming to another problem, that is y power x equal to x power cos y. Whenever power function is there, we have to use logarithmic differentiation. That's why I am applying log on both sides. That is going to be log of y power x equal to log of x power cos y. Log a power m equal to m into log a, with that x into log y equals to cos y into log x. I am representing this function in terms of f of x comma y equal to 0. Whenever if you are getting f of x comma y equal to 0, by using implicit differentiation we can write directly dy by dx with that. That is minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y, representing indirectly when implicity function is there, dy by dx equal to minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. Based upon this I am expressing whatever the equation is there in terms of f of x comma y equal to 0. I am taking whatever the function is there, I'm checking at left side. It's going to be x into log y minus cos y into log x equal to 0. Now this is going to be your function. I am writing dy by dx here. In numerator, you have to differentiate with respect to x. You know partial differentiation, that is minus of. With respect to x, you have to do means here y terms are going to be constant, that is log y is a constant, x derivative is going to be 1 minus, here also cos y is a constant. Why? Because with respect to x we are doing, log x derivative is going to be 1 by x. In denominator, with respect to y we have to do partial differentiation, treat x as a constant, x into log y derivative is going to be 1 by y minus log x into cos y derivative is going to be minus sin y. Cos x derivative is going to be minus sin x. Here y is there, that's why we'll get minus sin y. If you simplify this, that's going to be, in numerator what we are having, that is, if I take LCM, I will write here in next page, dy by dx equals to minus of LCM in numerator is going to be x. Our function is going to be, if you multiply, that is x into log y minus cos y. X into log y minus cos y. In denominator, we are having a y as LCM indirectly. That is, if we take y LCM, that is x, minus into minus is going to be plus. LCM is going to be y, x plus y into, indirectly y into sin y log x. If you simplify, that is, it's going to be in denominator, it's going to be in numerator. That is, if I multiply minus inside, it's going to be minus term is going to be plus term is going to be minus term. That is y into cos y minus x log y divided by, here x in denominator, this total term x plus y into sin y log y. Where it is here y into cos y minus y into cos y. Here already given y into cos y minus x log y, x into x plus y sin y log y. This is your answer, right? By using implicit differentiation, whenever the function is in this form, simply minus dou f by dou y divided by dou f by dou x. Right? Coming to the limits topic, and actually we have to get the question as before the derivative function, but given here, see whenever the function is there, limit x tends to 3, x square minus x minus 6 divided by x square plus x minus 12 is there. Simply I am using a L'Hospital rule. I am differentiating numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of x square minus x minus 6 is 2x minus 1. In denominator, that is x square derivative is 2x plus 1. That is, limit x tends to 3 is there, substitute 3, then you are going to get 6 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1, that is 5 divided by 7. If you substitute here x equal to 3, you are going to get numerator denominator, that is 0 by 0 form. X 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is going to be 0. Here also if you substitute 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 12 is going to be 0. 0 by 0 form వచ్చింది, that's why we use it L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule is nothing but simply we have to apply differentiation for numerator and denominator separately. After differentiating, simply substitute the limit. Either you can take one more method also, rationalize చేయాలి, factorize చేయాలి, numerator కి denominator possible factors రాసి simplify చేసిన ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? అండ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ డెరివేటివ్స్ నుంచి టాపిక్స్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్ టు ద కర్వ్ y equal to x cube minus 3x at the point p2 comma 2 given. I am finding here slope of tangent. Based upon that, I will write a slope of normal. Slope of tangent is nothing but simply you have to find dy by dx at this point, that is p is 2 comma 2. I am writing dy by dx. What is the derivative of x cube minus 3x? That is 3x square minus 3. There you have to substitute 2 comma 2. That is x value is 2, y value is 2. Both if you substitute here yet 2 comma 2, that is 2 square. 4 3 is 12 minus 3 is nothing but 9. Slope of tangent, based upon slope of tangent, if you represent with m, that is a slope of normal is going to be minus 1 by m, is nothing but minus 1 divided by 9. I will write this is as 1 divided by minus 9. I want what? Equation. Equation is nothing but whenever if you know the slope, means if you know slope, we can write equation very easily. I will multiply numerator with x, multiplying denominator with y, but in between x always minus, multiply denominator with y, that is minus 9y equals to, I am substituting the values here. In place of x I will substitute this point, if you know one point. In place of x I am writing 2. Here plus 9 into, once again y is also 2. That is nothing but x plus 9y equal to 2 plus 18, that is 20. Where it is x plus 9y, if I take plus 20 this side, it's going to be minus. Simply if you know the slope, we can simply, we are multiplying numerator with x, denominator minus into denominator into y. Minus exist అయిందంటే మధ్యలో ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ప్లస్ ఏ ఉంటే indirectly 1 by 9 is there, that is x minus 9y you will get. Okay, this is equation of normal. Maximum value of y is given y function. To say maximum value, what we have to do? Say means indirectly you have to find the dy by dx term. You have to equate 0, you will get the points. After that you have to find double derivative, that is d square y by dx square. At that particular points, indirectly if it is less than 0, greater than 0, based upon that. Less than 0 is there, here it's going to have maximum value at that point. Greater than 0 means you are going to get minimum point. Based upon this, indirectly I am first finding dy by dx. What is the derivative of y equal to x minus 1 whole square into e power x, means here dy by dx means here uv method. This is u, this is v. If I treat different function, that is 2 into x minus 1, derivative of x minus 1 whole square into e power x plus x square minus 1, as it is e power x derivative is e power x. This is dy by dx. We have to equate this is as 0. Then what you are going to get? I am taking here x minus 1 into e power x as a common. Here x minus 1 e power x is out, that is 2 plus 1 x minus 1 e power x is gone, means you are going to get x minus 1. That means x minus 1 into e power x into, here you will get x plus 1 equal to 0. It's going to be 0. If I take x minus 1 equal to 0, you will get x equal to 1. If I take e power x equal to 0, x equal to 1 only, same. X minus 1, x plus 1 equal to 0, you will get minus 1. We are having 2 points, one is 1, another one is minus 1. I got the point. Now I am finding d square y by dx square, means I have to differentiate this total function. Either I can say this is as x square minus 1 into e power x. Here I am finding d square y by dx square, that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b only, right? That derivative of x square minus 1 is 2x e power x alage undi, plus x square minus 1 is going to be as it is, and e power x derivative is e power x. Here I am substituting here 1. If you substitute 1, either minus 1. Okay, if I substitute 1 means here 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, and 1 into 2 into e power 1. If I substitute first x equal to 1, what you are going to get? Y2 as going to be derivative of dy by dx, once again d square y by dx. So if I substitute 1, that is 2 into e power 1, that is 2e plus 0, means it's going to be greater than 0. Greater than 0 means you are going to get minimum value, but we want what? Maximum value. Maximum value means we have to substitute x equal to -1 substitute, you will get less than 0. Indirectly ఇది greater than 0 అయిందంటే x equal to -1 0. What is the maximum value means, here maximum value is going to be, if you treat this is f of -1. What is f of x means, here this one f of x. In place of x you have to substitute -1. If you substitute -1, that is -1 whole square e power -1. That's what -1 whole square, that is -2 whole square is nothing but 4. E power -1 is nothing but 1 by e. The answer is going to be 4 by e. Always for maximum minimum we have to do like this. See, coming to this function, that is a partial differentiation is asked, dou f by dou x. Our function is f of x comma y means x plus y into e power xy. After finding dou f by dou x, you have to substitute the point, that is 2 comma 2. Right, I am writing here dou f by dou x, that is nothing but dou by dou x of x plus y into e power xy. With respect to x means here we having x, here we having x plus y derivative, uv method we have to apply, that is x plus y derivative is 1 plus 0 e power xy is as it is, plus x plus y is going to be as it is, e power xy derivative is going to be e power x derivative is e power x. Once again xy derivative treating y as a constant, y into 1. That's why you will get y. Here dou f by dou x is this. Here you have to substitute at p 2 comma 2. Wherever x is there, there substitute 2. In place of y 2. Now substitute here, that is e power 2 into 2 4 plus 2 plus 2 4 into e power 2 into 2 4, that is nothing but 5 e power 4. Into here, just a mistake, that is e power 4, 4 into e power 4 into once again 2, that is nothing but e power 4 plus 8 e power 4, nothing but 9 e power 4. Here we are having 9 e power 4. Okay, right? Coming to this problem, this is in the partial differentiation, most of times every year you are going to get 2 questions. In that, previous question is one basic question and one more based upon Euler's rule. Whenever f of x comma y is homogeneous function of degree n, here we can say x into dou u by dou x plus, here if you treat u as f of x comma y, y into dou u by dou y equal to n into u. For suppose if u is not, f of x comma y is not going to be homogeneous function, for suppose here u is or whatever the function is there, if I treat this is as function, f of u is indirectly u of x comma y, you can take f of u, that is a homogeneous function. Once again degree n, x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to n into f of u divided by f dash of u. Here see, u is not going to be homogeneous function. If I take this sin inverse this side, that is going to be sin u equal to x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 divided by x square plus y square. This is function of x comma y. This is homogeneous function. It's going to have degree. Means here if I substitute in place of x and y, kx, ky, you are going to get degree is going to be 2. That nothing but kx whole to the power of 4 ky whole to the power of 4. Here also k to the power of 4 in numerator, k to the power of 2 in denominator. It's going to be expressed as k to the power of n into f of x comma y. Based upon that, we can say degree as 2. Based upon this formula, indirectly x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to n into, n means nothing but here, n is going to be, you got 2 into function is going to be sin u, the derivative of sin is going to be cos u. That's why sin u divided by cos u is going to be tan u, that is 2 into tan u. Whenever sin inverse is there, you are going to get tan u only, but depends upon n you are going to get. Here n is going to be 2. Coming to integration question, very basic question. Integral of 1 by 1 minus cos x is given. These are whatever the questions we got, we are discussing now. All are going to be, that is ECET 2025 bits only. Very simple fundamental questions only. Actually the questions level we can treat as level 1 questions only. Okay. Kati, if you are preparing for ECET means indirectly you have to prepare first basics, indirectly fundamentals మీద ప్రాపర్గా మీరు నాలెడ్జ్ తెచ్చుకుంటా, అంటే బేస్డ్ అపాన్ ద ఫార్ములాస్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అప్ టు ఎండ్ ఇయర్ ఈస్ దేర్, అన్నీ కూడా ఫండమెంటల్స్ బేస్ చేసుకునే క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి ఇక్కడ. కాబట్టి ఆల్వేస్ మనం చెప్పేది ఫండమెంటల్స్ నుంచి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయని చెప్పుకుంటాం. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ కూడా వాట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూనే క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగిండు అదే విధంగా వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తే ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది, రైట్. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ 1 by 1 minus cos x is there. ఇన్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని వీ కెన్ రైట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ యాజ్ 2 sin square x by 2 also, but options are going to be in terms of x. That's why I am rationalizing denominator, that is I have to multiply integral of 1 divided by 1 minus cos x is there. I have to multiply this one with 1 plus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. If you multiply in denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That means you are get in denominator, that is a square minus b square means 1 minus cos square x. In numerator 1 plus cos x is there. That is in integration, here indirectly we can write 1 minus cos square x can be written as sin square x. That means if I separate this LCM for both functions, in numerator we are having 1 divided by sin square x plus cos x by sin square. I can write this as cos x divided by sin x into 1 by sin x. We have to integrate this function, that is 1 by sin square means cosecant square x plus cos by sin is going to be cot x, 1 by sin is going to be cosecant x. We have to integrate this. This is the basic formulas. Integration of cosecant square is minus cot x. Integration of cosecant into cot x is going to be minus cosecant x. The answer is going to be minus cot x minus cosecant x. We are having here, both are going to be minus. Right. Coming to the problem, that is definite integration, integral of 2 to 4 f of x dx. Formulas, right, properties we just question icharu. That is 2 to 4 f of x is there. Here we are having integral 0, that is 2 to 4 f of x plus x 6 plus x, integral 0 to 4 f of 4 minus x, integral 2 to 4 f of 2 minus x, integral 2 to 4 f of 6 minus x. Which one is going to be right is asking. We have a property, that is integral a to, actually here generally we are going to have 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx, basic property. Either we can write one more also, integral a to b is there, it can be written as f of x dx as integral a to b, we can replace f of a plus b minus x. In both case same thing. If I add 0 plus a, you are going to get a and b is there, you have to write a plus b. Based upon this one only we got this one. With that concept, integral 2 to 4 f of x dx equals to integral 2 to 4, if I replace this one, that is f of 2 plus 4 minus x, that is 6 minus x. Here we having integral 2 to 4 f of 6 minus x dx. Coming to same thing, we have one more property, that is whenever the limits are minus a to a is there, f of x dx, we can write this as integral 0 to a f of x dx plus integral 0 to a f of minus x dx. Minus a to a is there, we can write like this. With this we are going to have two answers, integral 2 into 0 to a f of x dx when if f of x is a even function. Even means f of minus x is going to be plus f of x. That's why if I replace f of minus x as f of x, then you will get 2 into integral 0 to a f of x. Otherwise you are going to get 0 when means f of x is a odd function. Odd function means f of minus x we can write as minus f of x. That's why if I write f of minus x as minus f of x, you will get 0. Here sine of pi x is going to be always, sin x is going to be add, sin of pi x is also going to be add. By replacing x with minus x, sin of minus theta always is going to be minus sin theta. That's why here this is odd function, that's why answer is going to be 0. Coming to next question, definite integration only, but limit of sum. We know limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma r equals to 1 to n f of r by n, we can write as simply whatever this representation is there, we will convert to integral 0 to 1, we will replace r by n with x dx. Based upon that, I am taking here n square by n plus 1 whole cube, n square by n plus 2 whole cube. Indirectly summation is there, that's why you will get sigma. I am representing this total function as a limit n tends to infinity sigma r equals to 1 to n square divided by n plus r whole cube. By replacing n plus n, 2n whole cube means 8 n cube, n square by n cube means n. End question, your end form is going to be, are going to get, right? Here see in numerator in sigma, here same thing, limit n tends to infinity, I have to convert into this form, you have to get 1 by n is also. That's why sigma r equal to 1 to n, that is n square divided by, I am taking here n common, that is 1 plus r by n whole cube, here also whole cube. With that I can write this as limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma r equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 1 plus r by n whole cube. Here n square by n cube means 1 by n, just I written 1 by n. Now it is in this form. We can write this as integral 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus, you have to replace r by n with x, that is going to be 3. We know integration of 1 by x power n is going to be minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. Based upon that, whole cube is there. Here we having 3, that's why you will get a minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus x whole to the power of 2. You have to multiply with x quotient, that is going to be 1. Here from 0 to 1 you have to substitute definite integration. First upper limit, that is minus 1 by 2 is a constant into 1 divided by 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 4 minus 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus 0 is nothing but 2 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 8. Quarter minus half, indirectly you are going to get quarter, that is minus 1 by 4. It's going to be, we done a mistake, I think so. You got 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Simplification we will see. That is 0 to 1. Now minus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 whole square 4 plus 1 divided by 2 into, it's going to be 0, 1 plus x, 1 only. That's what's take LCM, that is 8 only. You will get here minus 1 plus 7, that is 6 divided by 8, that is 2 3s, 2 4s. And then LCM, you got 7. Why you got 7 here? This is 2 only. 8 minus 1 plus 4, right? 5 we written 7. It's 2 already is there. That means 4. 3 by 8. Right. Here 3 by 8. Right. Coming to this problem. The area of the region bounded by the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4, y equal to 4x and y equal to x square. See, always the area is going to be integral a to b f of x dx. That means here he given y already. Indirectly we can write integral a to b y dx also. Here we know the values, that is integral. Here we having two functions, one is y is 4x, another one is y equal to x square. Here if you having two curves, that the answer is going to be mod of area integral a to b y1 minus y2 dx. Based upon this we know the limits, that is integral 1 to 4. y1 means 4x minus y2 means x square dx. Now simply integrate, that is 4x minus x square, 4 into x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. From 1 to 4, first upper limit substitute 4 here indirectly, 2 2s, that is 4 is nothing but 16, 16 into 4 square, 16 2s 32 minus, if you substitute 4 cube is nothing but 64 by 3 minus lower limit that is nothing but 2 into 1 square 2 minus 1 cube by 3, that is 1 by 3. If I simplify, that is 32 minus 2 minus 64 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That's what 30 minus 63 by 3, that is 90 minus 63 by 3. 90 minus 63 is nothing but 27 by 3. 27 divided by 3 is nothing but 9. The answer is going to be simply 9. Okay, right. Coming to same applications or differentiation integration only, that is Simpson's 1 by third rule. The value of integral 1 to 3 1 by x dx is given h. H means indirectly here he given h value means you have to take the difference, that is I am writing here x, I am writing, that is y is nothing but 1 by x. I have to write the values here. Start at 1 to 3 means first one 1, then after h value is going to be 1 by 2 means 1.5. Either we can take 1 plus 1 by 2, that's we can take as 3 by 2. And the next 2 value, next 2.5, I can take this as a 5 divided by 2. And one more, that is last point, end point 3. Here we can take this as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. 4 points are there. Now the values of y, that is 1 by x, x value is 1, 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Next 1 by 3 by 2 is nothing but I can write 2 by 3. Next here 1 by 2. Here 1 by 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 5. Next 1 by 3. I can say this is y0, y1, y2, y3 and y4. If I write Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule here, that is going to be h by 3, first and last point, that is y0 plus y4. Next plus 4 into odd values is going to be y1 and y3, plus 2 into even, that is y2. Now substitute these values here, that is going to be h equals to 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1 by 6 you will get. y0 plus y4 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 3, I can write 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 I can write, plus 4 into y1 plus y3, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 into y2, y2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Here I can simplify 2 and 2 get cancelled, 4 by 3 plus 1, that is simplification. If I do here, that is 1 by 6 into, that is 4 by 3 plus 1, that is 4 plus 3, 7 by 3 I can write, plus 4 into, if I take LCM this is going to be 15, you will get here 10 plus 6, 16. Once again if I take LCM here, already 1 by 6 is there. If I take LCM is going to be, that's once again 15, that is 7 5s are 35 plus 16 4s are 64. That simplification is going to be here 99 divided by 6 into 15, that is 3 33s are 3 2s are. Next 5s are 3 5s are 3 11s are, that is 11 by 10. 11 by 10 is nothing but 1.1. Okay, simplification here. If you simplify, if you spend the time, you are going to get the questions. That's all, nothing is there, right? Coming to differential equation topic, here number of topics are there. Okay, differential equation of use general solution equals to y equal to ax square plus bx, where a and b are the arbitrary constant. Two arbitrary constants are there. If the function is going to be in the form, that is, if y is going to be in the form ax power m plus bx power n, then the differential equation we can write directly. That's what x square y2 minus m plus n minus 1 into x into y1 plus mn y equal to 0. This is your differential equation. ఇది ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. Now we know what is m. M value is going to be 2, n value is going to be 1. Now substitute here, that is x square y2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 is nothing but 2x y1 plus 2 into 1, that is 2y equal to 0. In direct answer, if you know this form, you can answer directly. That's what given, x square y2 minus 2x y1 plus 2y. Just I represented double derivative with y2. Here I given y double dash. That's all. Coming to this, here given general solution of, by seeing the question we can simplify as a variable separable method, right? I am taking this y term this side, that is y plus 1 dx equal to solution of first order first degree form. I am taking y terms this side, that is minus of e power x plus 1 into y dy. You have to take y terms and x terms separately. That's I am taking x e power x plus 1 this side, that is nothing but 1 divided by e power x plus 1 dx equals to minus y divided by y plus 1 dy. I will write minus here. Now y divided by y plus 1 is there. Again by using partial fraction method I can write this is 1 by y plus 1 minus 1 by y plus 1 dy. Why? Because simply plus 1 minus 1, if I add y plus 1 by y plus 1 is nothing but here you will get 1 arrow, that is y plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by y plus 1. Y plus 1 by y plus 1 is 1 minus 1 by y plus 1. Here to simplify this indirectly I have to integrate, that's why I am modifying this, that is 1 by e power x plus 1. Here minus 1 divided by, if I take e power x common, that is 1 plus 1 by e power x dx. That's what I am simplifying, that is minus e power, if I am take to numerator e power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus x dx equals to 1 minus 1 by y plus 1 dy. I am integrating here. If I integrate, it is in the form that f dash of x divided by f of x integration is going to be, we can write log of f of x. Here 1 plus e power minus x derivative, 1 plus e power minus x derivative, 1 derivative 0, e power minus x derivative, e power minus x into minus x derivative 1. That is 1 plus e power minus x derivative is minus e power minus x is there. That's why f dash of x by f of x based upon that one we can write. And if you write the answer, that is you are going to get that is log of 1 plus e power minus x. At right side it's going to be 1 integration with respect to y is y, 1 by y plus 1 integration is log of, that is y minus log of y plus 1 plus c. If you having this, you are going to have an answer, right? We didn't have logarithm, that's why we have to simplify. If I write here log of 1 plus e power x as 1 plus 1 by e power x equals to y minus log of y plus 1 plus c. I can write this is as log c also. Then we can get the product, right? Here it is going to be log of e power x plus 1 by e power x equal to y minus log of y plus 1 plus log c. That's what this can be written as log m by n, minus term this side, this minus term this side, log of e power x plus 1 plus log of y plus 1 equal to y. If I take minus term this side, it's going to be plus log e power x. I can write this one as x also, that is x plus y. If I take this minus log plus log c this side, it's going to be log c. We can write plus also, no problem, both sides. Log m n, log m plus log n equal to log mn, that is log of e power x plus 1 into y plus 1 into c equal to y plus x. This is going to be x. If I take log this side, c into e power x plus 1 into y plus 1 equal to e power x plus y. This we having c into y plus 1 into 1 plus e power x plus y. ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఈ ఉంది కాబట్టి లాగారిథం ఇటు తీసుకొచ్చిన. రైట్, కమింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ x square plus y square dx plus kxy dx equal to 0 is saying exact. To say exact, we have a condition, that is if the function in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, the condition is going to be dou m by dou y should be equals to dou n by dou x. Here dou m by dou y I am writing, this is m, this is n. That's why with respect to y we have to differentiate, that is dou by dou y of x square plus y square should equate with dou by dou x of kxy. That is with respect to y means 0 plus 2y equal to, with respect to x means y as a constant, k is also constant, y is a constant, x derivative is 1. Now both are equals, indirectly k value is going to be what? 2. That's why you are having here 2. Okay, simply exact is there, compulsory. Exact means indirectly it must and should it satisfy this condition based on the condition given unknown. Right, coming to the solution, right, now is asking the solution of differential equation. It is in the form of, this is going to be linear differential equation, means the form is going to be dy by dx plus py equals to q. Right, for this we have to write integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integral p dx. Here the p is going to be tan x, q is going to be cos square x. Now simplify, that is integrating factor is going to be e power integral tan x dx. That's what e power integral of tan x is going to be log of secant x, is nothing but e power log, if the base is same you are going to get the function, that is secant x. Now the solution is going to be for y into integrating factor equals to integral of q into, q is nothing but cos square x into secant x, we can write as 1 by cos x, that is integrating factor. 1 cos is going to be cancelled. Now y into secant x equals to integration of cos is nothing but sin x. Here it is we having y into secant x equal to sin x plus c. Simple question. Same format. Here it is in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. This is going to be p, this is going to be q. Is asking only integrating factor. We need only integrating factor. Integrating factor is nothing but e power integral p dx. Right, e power integral p is nothing but what? 2x divided by x square plus 1 dx. Just before said integral always f dash of x divided by f of x is there. The answer is going to be log of f of x only. With that it is going to be e power log of x square plus 1. Always e power log of if we are having f of x, if the base is e, the answer is going to be f of x. From this form it's going to be nothing is there, means base is going to be e only, x square plus 1. Here we have x square plus 1. Okay, అర్థమవుతుందా? సింపుల్గా సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ ద సింప్లిఫికేషన్. ఇఫ్ యూ నో బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాస్ బేస్డ్ అపాన్ దాట్ ఓన్లీ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్. ఐ ఆడబుల్, నేను మాట్లాడేది మీకు వినబడుతుందా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఎక్కడన్నా మీకు అర్థం కానప్పుడు యూ కెన్ చాట్ విత్ అస్, రైట్? మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, రైట్? వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ఫర్ ECET 2026, ఎవరైతే 4th సెమిస్టర్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యి 5th సెమిస్టర్లకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నారో అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐదర్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ట్రైనింగ్ కోసం ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నారో, వాళ్ళు ECET ప్రిపేర్ కావడానికి ఇది ఈ టైం అనేది కరెక్ట్ టైం. కాబట్టి మీకు నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ 1 year పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీకు కోచింగ్ అనేది అవైలబుల్ ఉంటుంది. మా దగ్గర ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా క్లాసెస్ అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఆన్లైన్ అంటే ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి వెళ్ళి మా అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది, ఆ అప్లికేషన్లో వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ అనేవి అవైలబుల్గా ఉన్నాయి. రైట్, యూటిలైజ్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ. వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ ఎట్ ద రేట్ 399 ఓన్లీ. కాంటాక్ట్ అవర్ నెంబర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ 8143352352. ఈ నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతే మీకు ఆన్లైన్లో కోర్స్ అనేది 399 వచ్చే విధంగానే చేస్తారు. వన్స్ రిజిస్టర్ అండ్ ఆల్సో విల్ గివ్ టోటల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ దట్. మీరు ఎనీ టైం యాక్సెస్ చేసే విధంగా వీడియో లెక్చర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇది ఆన్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూనే కోర్స్ అండి. ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో యూ కెన్ కమ్ టు అస్. హైదరాబాద్లో ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ట్రైనింగ్ చేసే స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఆఫ్లైన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో కూడా క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఫుల్ డే క్లాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. 1 year వ్యాలిడిటీతోని. Okay, some technical problem. We are connecting once again. Okay, right, next continuation. Okay, right, solution of the differential equation. See if you are getting like this question. This is in the form of f of d into y equal to 0. You have to write in operator form. Whenever you are getting this one, this is homogeneous differential equation, that too higher order differential equation. Simply by the roots we have to answer, right? I am writing in the form of f of d into y, that is going to be 6d square minus 5d minus 6 into y equal to 0. See, after the options you are going to have an answer. See here, simply it is going to have, here degree 2 means you are going to have two roots. The roots are going to be m1 and m2 for suppose. That roots are going to be existed in the answer, right? Here first for this equation the roots are going to be 9 comma 4. For this is going to be minus 9 comma minus 4. Here the roots are going to be 3 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3. Here the roots are going to be minus 3 by 2 comma minus 2 by 3. cross check indirectly if I substitute in this equation, right? In place of D, if I substitute 9 or 4, if I substitute 4 here, 6 into 4 square is nothing but 16, minus 5 into 4 is nothing but 20. Here it is going to be minus 20, minus 6 is nothing but minus 26, but 16 6 it's not going to be 26, but why it's not going to be 0. Means 4 is not going to be your answer option, right? Minus 4 substitute చేసిన minus 4 substitute చేస్తే ఇక్కడ plus 20 minus 6 వస్తుంది, but 6 into 16 వస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు బి 0. అంటే ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది రూట్ అంతం కాబట్టి, ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయట్లేదు కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు బి ఆన్సర్. కమింగ్ టు దిస్, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 3/2 ఆర్ minus 2/3, ఇయర్ ఇక్కడ 3/2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ minus 3/2 ఉంది, minus 2/3 minus 2/3 both are same. That's why I'll take 3/2. If you substitute here 3/2, 6 into 3/2 whole square, that is 9 divided by 4, minus 5 into 3/2 minus 6. If you simplify this, that is nothing but I can write here 3 into 9/2, that is 27, minus 5 15, minus 16 to the 32 divided by 2. Plus 3/2, 9 divided by 4, 6 into 2 to the 2 3 the 27/2, 3 5 the 15/2 minus 6, 6 2 the here 32 I written just wrongly. This is going to be what? 12 here. That is nothing but 27. Here also 27, minus 27 minus 27 0. That's why it is satisfied. That's why here this is going to be an answer, right? Either you can follow right for roots. That is what simply ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots are going to be simply minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You can use this, simply substitute here. A value is 6, b value is minus 5, c value is going to be minus 6. Coming to next problem, is asking what? Particular integral, right? Particular integral is nothing but 1 minute. Yeah, once again welcome, right? Better issue, right? Coming to this problem, is asking what? Particular integral. Here see, that is a particular integral is nothing but here indirectly f of x, whatever x is there, e power 3x divided by, you have to write f of t, that is 4d square plus 4d minus 3. There you have to substitute d value as 3, that is a value. By substituting 3, you are going to get an answer e power 3x divided by 3 square, that is 9 4s 36 plus 4 3s 12 minus 3, that is nothing but e power 3x divided by 36 plus 9 is nothing but 45. 1 by 45 into e power 3x. Simply substitute whenever this function is there, exponential term is there, x quotient you have to substitute in place of d. Right, coming to this, once again particular function, right? Here we having trigonometric functions, right? I am writing particular function directly. That function divided by 5 is a constant outside, 5 is outside, that is cos 3x divided by f of d. F of d is nothing but d square plus 4 plus sin 3x divided by f of d is nothing but d square plus 4. In both cases, here d square equal to minus a square. Minus a is nothing but 3 square. Here also in place of d square I have to substitute minus 3 square is nothing but minus 9. Substitute here, that is 5 is outside. Cos 3x divided by d square equal to minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4. Here sin 3x divided by minus 9 plus 4. That is nothing but minus 5. That is 5 divided by minus 5 into cos 3x plus sin 3x. That is minus of cos 3x plus sin 3x. Minus of is there. That is why you are going to get a minus cos 3x minus sin 3x. Where it is a see in calculus topic we are having more topics, that is Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform and Fourier series. ఈ టాపిక్ బేస్ చేసుకొని క్వశ్చన్స్ మళ్ళీ లైవ్లో కనెక్ట్ అవుదాం. మనం ఆ బిట్స్ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ సెషన్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేద్దాం. వి విల్ అప్డేట్ యూ ఆన్ అవర్ ఛానల్, రైట్? ఫాలోస్ అవర్ ఛానల్, దట్ ఈస్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ శ్రీ అకాడమీ ఈసెట్ కోచింగ్ సెంటర్. ఈసెట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఉన్న ఏవైతే అన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయో, అంటే డిప్లొమా పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో డిప్లొమా నుంచి వెళ్ళి బీటెక్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్న ఈసెట్ రాసే ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ ఆస్పిరెంట్ కమింగ్ 2026 అండ్ 27 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసము మన ఛానల్లో ఎప్పుడు రెగ్యులర్గా అప్డేట్స్గా వీడియోస్ వస్తూనే ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఈసెట్ 2026 ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే స్టూడెంట్స్ కోసము ఒక సువర్ణ అవకాశం ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ అనేది మా ఈసెట్కి సంబంధించిన ఆన్లైన్ కోర్స్ అనేది 399K ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. యూటిలైజ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ just follow us, contact us, that is our numbers 8143352352 and 8885352352. ఈ నెంబర్స్కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వండి, మీకు టోటల్ గైడెన్స్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవర్ అప్లికేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లే స్టోర్ శ్రీ అకాడమీ ఈసెట్ SREE ఓకే, రైట్? ఈ అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ కాంటాక్ట్ అస్ అండ్ గెట్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ, గెట్ our course at 399. You are going to get video lectures and topic wise exams and live exams and also material also we are going to provide. Okay, thanks you for watching. Please subscribe and share our channel. Okay, thank you.